Whoa! Hey guys, it's Ravenhawk6910 reporting once again, and I did not realize I was supposed to get a package today, but apparently I did. So this should be my BNSF Warbonnet GP60M coming back from MTH. So I'm filming this video a little late in the day. It's about, well, I say a little late, it's about 9 o'clock in the evening. So yeah, I've been out all day and didn't realize I was going to get anything today, but it's here, and hopefully MTH fixed it. So let's take my Western Maryland Big 6 knife. Yeah, it's legit. See? Western Maryland number 6. Sweet. And slice this puppy open and see what we got inside. Alright, let's get to work. Now I'm hoping that this is actually fixed because the turnaround on this has been really, really quick. And I'm hoping it didn't just bounce back to me by accident, which if that's the case, I'll just call MTH back and send it back. It'll be okay. It won't be a big deal. Let's see here. Slice through this, slice through that. And now, yep, looks like they did. Here's the paperwork. Good, 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 good. Let's see, technician notes. Bad chassis ground, added shims, cleaned rollers, and test ran. Alright, so they did work on it, so the GP60M should be good to go. And when I called MTH the other day, when I initially sent this off to them, I got one of their actual techs and not a service person. So the guy was really, really nice to me and so much better than what Lionel has done in the past with me. So if anyone has any problems with an MTH model, I highly recommend calling their customer support guys and their techs because they can really help you out. So let's see, let's get the 101 out of the box, out of the foam. There we go, and there she is. Red and silver war bonnet in all of its glory. Just do a little close-up here for the camera. So, let me get all the foam taken off of here, and then I'll put it on the track and we'll see what happens. Alright, we've got the GP60M on the track, so let's apply track power and see what happens. Whoa! Okay, that's not good. That's exactly what happened last time. So it's still very much shorting out. So I don't know if anyone could see that, but some smoke came up from the truck, and oh boy, let me take this thing off real quick and take a look. Ooh yeah, I can smell burning metal. So, oh dear. So the problem is persisting, unfortunately. So unfortunately, That means I'm going to have to call MTH and talk to them again about what's happening, because this thing came back awfully quick for the problems it was having. So I'm wondering if it even got looked at this point. So this is awkward. So anyways, it's Friday, so I can't do anything about this until Monday, unfortunately. So I'll update you guys later with what's happening with the GP60M, but in the meantime, it is indeed back, but the problems are persisting, unfortunately, which really, really sucks, because I've only been able to run this locomotive one time since I got it back in January, I think. Maybe even longer. Nah, it hasn't been that long, but January at least. So, well, I guess I'm just going to have to call MTH. So I'll let you guys go for now, and I'll let you guys know what happens. This is Ravenhawk6910, signing off.